Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple CAD. First, navigate to the CAD website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll be presented with various template options. For a simple start, consider choosing a blank canvas or a very basic template to build upon. This gives you maximum flexibility to design your one-page site exactly as you envision it. Now, let's start adding content to your CAD. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom or side of your screen, to add new elements. You can choose from text boxes, images, videos, buttons, and more. After adding an element, click on it to access its specific settings. Here, you can adjust its size, position, colors, and fonts to match your desired aesthetic. With your content in place, it's time to refine the visual appeal. Explore the design panel to change your background. You can select a solid color, upload an image, or even create a gradient. Experiment with different font styles and sizes to ensure your text is clear and engaging. Remember to check how your CAD looks on various screen sizes to guarantee a great user experience for everyone. Finally, once you are happy with your design and content, it's time to publish your CAD. Before going live, always use the preview option to ensure everything looks perfect and functions correctly. When ready, click the Publish button. You can choose a free CAD subdomain, or if you have a custom domain, you can link it. Your simple, elegant one-page website will then be live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.